Good morning and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 10. I just came from outside. I went to the grocery store because I needed to pick up eggnog. Today, I will be making eggnog French toast. I love me some eggnog French toast. I already went to the bakery to pick up the Bulka challah bread because that one is the best. Brioche is good as well, but the challah, it hits differently. It hits differently. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you already did, welcome back, family. With that being said, let's head on to the kitchen. We're heading to the kitchen. Let me find my bread. Here. My bread is here. My bread. So I'm gonna let me zip up my hold on, y'all. So as I was saying, before all the distractions, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. Eggs, I got nutmeg, cinnamon, I use vanilla extract, eggnog of course, that's the star of the show, and the Bulka challah bread. Right guys, so we're gonna start. I am going to look for my bowl. I need to get a bowl. Oh! I'm gonna cut my bread. So I'm finished cutting my bread. Staler the bread is the better. I bought the bread. When did I get the bread? I bought it on Saturday. So it's like 2 days old. Yeah, 2 days old, which is good. And every time I go to the bakery, I tell them do not cut it because I rather cut it myself. Because when they cut it, the slices is very thin. And I do not want it to be thin. I want it to be thick. So I'm just going to use everything. Okay. So guys, if you see that the height is changing, is because now I'm gonna change my tripod. I put the second one. I didn't do two like the first time because the pan is small. Let's flip it. Ooh, baby, looking real good. Gonna leave that and we're gonna come back when it's finished cooked. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna flip it. It should be good. Some people like their French toast more darker, but for me this is perfect color. So I'm just gonna take it and put it over here. I'm gonna do 4 on camera, and then when I finish with the rest, then I'll come back. This one, it's ready, and I'm gonna take it out. So whenever you make your French toast mixture, dip the bread in there and just leave it on the side for a little bit so it can rest. When you put it in the pan, it really gets fluffy. Alright guys, so I am on my last French toast. So I'm gonna take this out. I think it should be ready. Take it out and turn the stove off. Alright guys, so I am finished making the French toast. I have some fruits that I will put on the French toast. I have some raspberry and blueberries. And I'm also gonna put some almond slices as well. But the almond slices is more for me. I love almonds. I'm gonna plate my French toast now. My son uses Aunt Jemima, but me, I'm a maple syrup girl. I like maple syrup on my French toast. So I'm gonna get the plates and I'll be back soon. Sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, boy that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you if you don't waste your time, yeah. Waste your time with me. I mean honestly. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. Before I leave, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also click that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!